Camaro. I used to have a Camaro.
You did?
Yep. Jesus Christ.
Oh,
She almost hit us. Did you see that?
Yeah.
You just flew out in reverse onto this public road when I'm trying to exit and strap up my helmet. What?
You were sitting because I heard you. You were sitting back there.
Yeah, I stopped because you flew out in reverse.
No.
Yeah.
No,
I got you on camera, bud.
I stopped and I listened.
All right.
I was sitting there, you went by, and you stopped and you sat there.
Yeah.
And I was waiting, I listened. Why'd you just stop and just sit there?
Am I not allowed to enjoy the park and read the signs?
Am I not allowed to?
No, of course you are, sir.
Okay, so why are you basically just...
¡Qué estúpido! Oh my goodness! ¡Qué estúpido! ¡Qué estúpido! Oh god, that was close.
Oh my god.
Shit.
Okay, so here, 35, I think might change to 35, like west, east-west maybe, and that's what it says. Looks like... Shit. What just happened? Whoa! Oh my god! Ooh.
I talked to Mom this morning about coming over on the 31st.
Okay.
And she said that Angel wasn't going to come. And I said, well, Mom, I'm going to extend the invitation to Angel anyway. Because I'm not going to send it to you guys and not Angel. I said, he can make his decision whether he can come or not. She goes, well, I don't know if I'll be able to go up the stairs. I said, well, you don't have to run up the stairs. You can walk up their stairs.
Seriously, the weirdest croissant ever. Like a buttered bun.
Oh, fuck, what was that?
A ladder.
Oh.
Traffic control.
Buddy.
This, stop light, where was that? I don't remember, but you could use Azure Search to comb the data and present it to you in a certain way. Like that's next level for an MSP. That's where an MSP is going to really, really differentiate themselves, down the road. But you can't get to step 3, to PAS, let's say, without first committing to IA.